or a crystal ball?
America's future as a science leader may depend on students like the ones you are going to meet tonight.
We're doing something in our high school lab that could potentially have a huge impact for like millions of people. This thing could help save lives.
They did it to prove they are the best in the world at this prestigious international science competition.
I'm hoping we finish top 10, but even that, I don't know. We'll see.
How did the judges see it?
So the winners are...
Stay tuned.
18-year-old Spanish soccer sensation Lamine Yamal is not yet licensed to drive, not yet liberated from wearing braces. But already, the world, like the ball he dribbles, is at his feet.
One thing we keep hearing is this kid's got it.
Right.
What is it?
How do you describe moonlight? How do you describe candlelight? How do you count the bubbles in a glass of champagne? I don't know. I just know when I say it, it's bloody beautiful.
I'm Leslie Stahl.
I'm Scott Pelley.
I'm Bill Whitaker.
I'm Sharon Alfonsi.
I'm John Wertheim.
I'm Cecilia Vega.
I'm Anderson Cooper. Those stories, and in our last minute, a breakthrough in tracking monarch butterflies. Tonight on 60 Minutes. Nearly a year before Donald Trump was elected in 2020.